excited to see the fireworks.
Yay! Hey, let's go. Carly. Here's the torch. I think this is the definition of dark. Hey, Roma style. No, I think this is the definition of dark.
Use your
Fireworks.
Wait,
Fireworks. They're cool.
whoa.
Yeah, they're so cool.
That
Just like Velcro. And then just light them and leave. Oh my god.
Hello,
It's
I'm here on my donkey.
Oh my god.
Of course I'm here.
Quick, I'm scared of bonfire day.
I'm scared of fireworks. Paige, I think you just revealed that you're here. Yeah, I'm scared of fireworks, okay? Carly, how the heck are you not scared of fireworks? Don't blow it out because it's not gonna work. And oh my god, it's not focusing. Okay, it's really dark, okay, let's move over here. Yeah, let's come and do that. What? I'm still here.
Oh my god.
Carly, this is the worst thing ever.
Okay. I was serious.
You wish Daring was here to save you, didn't you?
Yeah.
Oh my god! Oh my god, the fireworks.
It smells like smoky bacon.
No. Your hair is so pink. It smells so scared of fireworks. The other fireworks from other people are way prettier and we can't see a thing unless we look inside them. Okay, let's watch it. One. Whatever. What? The washing line's gonna go on fire. Then it gets made of plastic, so it's gonna stink. The smoke.
Yeah.
Bonfire day. Your pink hair, Carly. The window. Oh my god. Okay, come. 'Cause-
That one's
Oh, that's not
so
scary.
bright.
That one's fine. Oh my gosh, I like fireworks
It's a
like that.
fountain. It's a
It's so pretty.
fountain. Whoa. Whoa.
It smells like smoke. The one tiny dot on the home. There's one dot. Let's watch that thing fly past. Yeah. Oh my god, I'm so bored.
I'm not gonna drop it.
The whole world on fire. Oh my god, she's lighting it up over there. Oh my gosh, I'm so scared. I'm standing back to save my whole life because if that falls over, we're all dead. Because I don't want to die. Watch me if you want to go. I'm scared. It exploded. It looked good.
It's gonna fall.
There was like a pink one.
Yeah. What is it this time? Okay, the fireworks are being set up over there.
I hate the shed one.
Oh, yeah, that thing terrifies me. Oh my god, it's like so dark. That is the river.
Okay.
Wait, the one house
Oh yeah, oh my god, doesn't it like annoy you so much?
Barbecue.
Yeah, it's another barbecue one, so let's stand.
Oh, this is gonna be
I'm so
another
scared,
scary
I'm so
one.
scared. It looks okay to me, so just hopefully it doesn't explode in the end. Please don't explode, don't explode, don't explode, don't explode, don't explode, oh my god. Come on, tell me that's it. What?
Oh, thank God. It didn't explode.
This smoke.
Yeah, there's some.
That green
smells like
evening
smoky
stuff is
bacon.
smoke. Actually, no, it smells like dog poop. This
Okay.
is still fire.
Yeah.
Okay, it's another barbecue one.
There's a barbecue one.
We don't
can't
have
see.
the torch, so it's not gonna work for us. Okay, set it on fire and then run. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. More earth, more earth. That's the vocal.
That was noisy. That's pretty. I think I'm gonna zoom in on the next one.
You don't need to be so quiet. Yeah, whatever. Okay. By the way, Hate, what's with your laugh? Yeah, what do you?
Okay, that's not your
Yeah, let's just like, yeah, it was a fake laugh. Okay. Yeah, we didn't have that much battery left for filming, so
Yeah. You should save the videos.
yeah, we're gonna. Yeah,
Yeah. Okay.
guys, I hope you run like this. Oh my god. Let's do it. Oh my god. And these questions are
It's so dark.
okay. That wasn't even scary.
Yeah, that wasn't scary to me. I feel like I'm gonna stand over here. There should be a light there, but you can't even see. Oh my gosh, you can't even see my hand in the camera. Yeah, you can. You can see my hand. Oh no, it's a rocket. It's a rocket. I'm so scared.
Don't worry, Casey, me too.
I'm not.
Explosions! Please don't land on our head. Can't believe that.
No, it's
Oh my god. I can't believe that people can explode if fireworks go into their faces.
Okay, what's this one? I can't even.
Please don't be sparklers or anything. I mean, I don't think it is, but
Yeah, this is gonna be so much fun.
oh my god, you sound so weird.
I'm tingling.
Oh my god, no, 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 no,
What's
no,
this one?
no, no, don't put it there, don't put it there. Oh, shoot. This one might go into the ground. Okay, let's go, let's go. Oh my gosh, I'm scared, I'm scared, I'm scared. Anyway, it's kind of okay. Oh yeah. Let's still zoom in. I think we can stop the video after this one, so. Anyway guys, I hope that you have liked this fireworks vlog and please enjoy your birthday night. For those of you who actually those of you who actually celebrate birthday night, so bye.
Yeah. Bye.
Yeah, bye. 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 I'm leaving.
Yeah, good.
Yeah. Anyway, bye. Bye.
Let's go.
Ah! This is scary. This is scary.
Bye, guys.
I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. Okay, maybe just one last firework.
Yeah.
So this was okay, I guess.